Thanks for joining me on this overnight bushcraft adventure. I'm heading back to this old, or not old, I built it 1 month ago. I can link the video where I built it in the video description. But I'm here, and the plan is to do an overnighter here. It's gonna get down to below freezing tonight, so I'm gonna need a big fire. And I got, I think, 3 hours before the dark settles, so I'm gonna have to do some things. I don't have a sleeping mat with me, so I'm gonna make a bow bed to stay warm. And yeah, but overall it should be very nice. No rain, very sunny weather, but very cold, so yeah. So in my backpack I have my sleeping pad, sleeping mat, and I don't have like an inflatable one, so I need a bow bed to make some isolation. And then I got an axe, saw, food, yeah, so that's about it. Sleeping bag, of course, some extra clothes, but really not that much gear, so I will depending on nature in this night, so yeah. This is gonna be my pillow tonight. So when making a bow bed like this, try to pin this part of the twig down into the bed, so you get these fluffy things to sleep on, because sleeping on things like this is like sleeping on sharp nails or something, because they like pin into your back and it's not a great experience, so try to avoid that. Oh yeah, this is a really comfortable bed actually. Very nice. Well, now that I got the bow bed ready, I think it's time to start prepping for the fire. So for firewood, I have this log leaning out against that tree. So that one should be dry. And also the tree lying there. Here we got the saw, and here we got the axe. So you can see here if the log is dry or not. This one's it's dry in the middle, but wet on the outside. So I will have to chop this up to get into the inside part of the wood, and that should be dry. So So I'm gonna use this tree right here to my chopping block, and I'm gonna show a good way to split a bigger piece of wood like this. So you're just gonna do this and take a big And now you can see that it has started to build up a splint in the wood. So I'm just gonna continue working on that. Just like that. Like that. And then it's hard to balance it and make this. So then you can just flip it around and in this little box, or what you should call it, is all my tinder pouch. That's what it's called. And in here we got birch bark, fat wood. You see the resin in there. It smells amazing too. And ferro rod, lightning sticks. So in here I've got all the things to make fire. But first I have to split this wood into smaller sections, and I think I'm gonna use my knife for this actually. So what you do, you take the back of your knife that has a 90-degree spine, and then you can just start to shave off small pieces of fat wood that will ignite with the ferro rod. That should be enough. And I'm gonna insert the Is this too high maybe? Ah, that's perfect. So I made this pretty long time ago when I was here, but it's a really good cooking system for hanging multiple pots at the same time. If the flame is high, you can set the pot up here like that, and if the flames are low, which it is right now, you can set it up down there. So really good cooking system, and it's pretty easy to make also. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the camp. So we start up front. We have the fire reflector, very nice, very beautiful I think. And here we have the roof and the single room in the shelter. Very nice, very nice. The roof is out of spruce boughs, and the bed is also made of spruce boughs. And there we have my pool, the lake. pretty big lake actually. On that island I slept on that island like 3 weeks ago, I think. So a real nice home actually. Oh, very warm. The clock is 3:30, so I got about half an hour of light left. So, but I think that I've done all the things that I have to do. I got the bed ready. I've got the fire going, and I'm gonna need 2 sticks for the sausages though. But I'm gonna fix that soon. But now I'm just gonna spend some time relaxing by the fire. It's definitely getting colder. Oh, this is so nice for the hands. You may notice that my hands are very red, and I don't know why they are, but they are just naturally very red and very cold all the time. So it's nice to warm them by the fire. So the clock is now half of past excuse me, half past 4 o'clock. So it's pitch black. You can't see anything right now without a lamp. But I brought with me my flute, or actually my dad's flute. So I'm horrific at playing it, but I'm gonna do a little trudelutt. So, oh wait. Let's start cooking the dinner. I'm very hungry. So I'm gonna do bacon sandwiches for dinner. So I got this one is for breakfast tomorrow, but this one is for now. So yeah, and here we got the sausages. So I'm gonna have bacon around the sausages, and yeah, it's gonna be very good. So I hope you can see this. I'm covering this sausage with bacon. And then you put it on a stick. The sausage is now completed cooking. That's hot. But I could tell a little taste, and that taste was very good. So I can definitely recommend this dinner for anyone while camping. Super easy to make, very very good, and it makes you full in no time. I'm gonna make another one. That sausage was so good. I thought I pressed record, but it turns out I didn't, so you missed when I ate it. But I don't think you want to see me eating because it was pretty... The clock is now 18:35, as you can see there, and I'm very tired actually for being so not late, but it's so dark outside, so that's probably why. The third sausage is cooking up there. You can see it. Very nice. But yeah, I'm just looking at the stars here. Very very beautiful. And being here makes me wonder like what's important in life and not. To be out here and live under some trees and cook some sausages over a fire really makes me think like, do we need all this stuff? But yeah, soon I will eat the sausage and head to sleep. But unless if I get eaten by a bear tonight or attacked by a bear tonight, I will see you guys in the morning. So I made it through the night, believe it or not, throughout the cold. Stayed very warm actually. So that was very nice, slept very good. I had a mattress and that helped a lot, I think. So a very nice night and yeah, but it's pretty cold, so I'm thinking I'm gonna get a fire going and cook up some coffee as well. So there I got some water from the lake, and in here I've got 4 eggs. So I will have eggs with the bacon. Gotta be careful so they don't break. The more I use this cooking system, the more I fall in love with it. It's so practical, actually. Very good. So the eggs have to cool down a little bit. They're very warm still. So I'm gonna put them to the side here to let them cool off. And the bacon, yeah, it's very done. The secret to cooking bacon over a fire like this is to have it a long time on. I tried it once in the summertime, and I had it on the fire way too short, so the bacon didn't cook up properly. So that's one thing you have to think about. Boiled egg and bacon. So if you wonder how to make an hook like this to hang your billies over the fire, you need to find a stick like this where a branch goes out and the main part goes down, so you can hook it onto a stick over the fire. And when you've done that, you do a notch about here in the about here, so you can mark it up. And remember to keep your fingers away so you don't cut yourself. It's starting to look like something. Just gotta work out the material here. Nice. Now we got 3 hooks in different lengths. I think I'm going to start to pack up and hike out of this forest and yeah, break camp. So I will thank you guys for watching this video. It was a very nice trip. And leave a comment down below if you want me to talk in my videos, or if you prefer the quiet. I don't know really what style to do, to combine them or just do one. But yeah, I will thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.